Just want to go through the market equilibrium real quick. So you have your demand curve, which obeys the law of demand. Really, that's the visual for the law of demand. When price rises, people buy less. That's pretty intuitive. Over here, you have the law of supply. When price rises, there's more profits to be made at higher prices selling the items, so they supply more. And then you have to kind of think about how the market would operate. Consumers and the sellers have the absolute opposite view on price. Sellers want the highest price possible because that gives them the most profit, and consumers want the lowest price possible because that would be the best scenario, something for free. So they have to haggle out some type of price in the marketplace, and like any time when you're haggling, you're usually going to meet in the middle. The idea of where the market ends up is equilibrium, where supply and demand meet. In this case, it's the price of $3 that puts the buyers and the sellers on the same page. So at $3, if you come over here, you hit the demand curve, you come down. Consumers want to purchase 15. Over here at $3, again, you hit the supply curve, you come down, sellers want to make 15. So this price of 3 is the only price in the marketplace where buyers and sellers can get what they want. Both of them can, buy 15 and then the sellers can make 15. One last thing on this price. This is also known as the market clearing price because this price allows all the transactions to go through. So think about a check that clears. It went through, the transaction took place. Here at $3, 15 transactions can be done by the buyers and 15 transactions can be done by the sellers. Next thing we'll look at is why does the market end up at equilibrium if it started off in a disequilibrium. So that'll be the next video.